Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing one of the most iconic characters in video game history, Super Mario. And if you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people out there. Okay, grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing. Let's begin with Mario's expressive eyes, drawing two rounded ovals with a lively and friendly look. And remember, if any step feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. No rush at all. Did you know Mario first appeared in 1981 in the arcade game Donkey Kong? Back then, he wasn't called Mario yet. His original name was Jumpman. The name Mario was inspired by Mario Segale, the landlord of Nintendo's warehouse in the US. Now, add his thick eyebrows just above the eyes, slightly curved to give him that confident expression. Draw his big, rounded nose right in the center. It's one of his most recognizable features. Perfect! Under the nose, sketch his iconic mustache, nice and full with smooth curves on both sides. The mustache was added to make his face more recognizable with limited graphics. Now, draw his smiling mouth just below the mustache, keeping it simple and friendly. Let's move to the ear, drawing a rounded shape on the side of his head. Add the cheeks, connecting everything to form the soft, rounded shape of his face. Now draw the top of his hat, a smooth, curved dome sitting comfortably on his head. Add the brim of the hat, extending forward with a gentle curve. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more characters from the Mario universe, click the card above to check out the full playlist. Also, let me know in the comments which character you'd like to see next. And hey, next week, we're gonna draw Mario again, but this time in our fun rubber hose cartoon style. So stay tuned, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, that looks really good. In the center, draw a circle and place the letter M inside it, Mario's signature emblem. Next, sketch his sideburn, just below the hat, connecting to the ear. Mario is a plumber, and that choice was made to match the underground settings of early games. His red hat was designed to avoid animating hair in early pixel art. Let's draw his body by creating a rounded belly, giving him that classic cartoon silhouette. Now add the overall straps with 2 yellow buttons on each side. Mario's creator is Shigeru Miyamoto, one of the most influential game designers ever. The Super Mario Bros. Game, released in 1985, helped revive the video game industry. Mario has appeared in over 200 games across multiple genres. He even has his own theme park attractions and animated movies. Draw his right leg extending downward. Add the right shoe, big and rounded, with a solid base. Now draw the left leg, slightly angled for balance. Add the left shoe, matching the shape and size of the other. Let's move to the left arm, bent slightly outward. Draw the left hand resting on his waist with the glove partially visible. Now draw the right arm, mirroring the pose. Add the right hand on his waist as well, with the classic glove shake. For coloring, use classic tones like red for the hat and shirt, blue for the overalls, and brown for the shoes. You can also add a subtle bluish shading on the white areas to give it extra depth, but feel free to color it your own way. And look at that! Our mustached hero is looking amazing in this pose. And here's our Mario, looking awesome and full of personality. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.